Hello my beautiful people, and like you all requested, today's video is one ingredient DIY skincare. And what is that one ingredient? Well, it's the humble orange. That's right. Loaded with vitamin C and nutrients, and it is something that everyone loves. It's in season, so make the most of it. Obviously, you can have it as orange juice, but today we're talking about skincare and how you can use it to have glowing, beautiful, and even skin tone. So it's all about that. But before I can show you what we have to do, one thing always remember when it comes to skincare or using anything on your skin, be it a DIY product or the most expensive high-end branded item, skincare item available, always remember, do a patch test. जी हाँ, patch test करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. And the place where you should do a patch test is either here or here, because that is where your skin is the most sensitive and that's where it is the thinnest. So do a patch test, wait for a day or two and see अगर कोई reaction नहीं हो रहा है, you're good to go. Whether it's DIY, whether it is a very expensive makeup product, skincare product, चाहे कुछ भी हो, चाहे वो organic हो, 100% natural ingredients हो, herbal हो, yada 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 yada, no, you can always have an allergic reaction, so always do a patch test. So अब ये समझ लिया है कि ये भी आज की वीडियो देखने के बाद प्लीज़ पैच टेस्ट कर लीजिएगा before you use it and apply it on your face. Let me go in and show you what we have to do. And what are we making today? We are making orange peel powder, which you can use as a scrub, as a cleanser, as a mask, and you can do it daily. That is, you can apply it daily. तो आप as a cleanser इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं because ये दुरदुरा होता है, तो it's a natural exfoliant as well. तो रोज़ाना आपकी हल्की हल्की exfoliation भी होती रहेगी. So let me show you how to make orange peel powder.
Roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark.